Hi, and welcome to the first installment of what I'm going to call the fun point. And that's basically where fun coincides with a point. See those cows over there? You can hear them too. I bet you always wondered why cows wear bells. It's because their horns don't work. No, but seriously, what I want to do is kind of ask one question or two questions and have a little bit of fun with it. Well, let's start out. And in this one, I'm going to answer next time. If you know me, you've probably heard this before, but what's greater than God, more evil than the devil? The rich need it, the poor have it, and if you eat it, you will die. So, and the answer to that we'll discuss next time, but it's basically beginning with the end in mind. What's unique about that question is that about 90% of children under 6, as long as they can understand and speak, will get the answer to that riddle within seconds. On the other hand, over 6, and particularly adults, 95% of them won't get it after minutes and minutes of thinking. Now, I have a theory for that, and we'll discuss that next time. But what I wanted to do is, basically with this, is number one, have fun, number two, make money, and I'll get to that in the end. But, you know, the fun point is it's not about it's about getting to the point where you forget about daily worries because you're thinking about something else, you're enjoying something else. And one of the ways you can do that at any moment of the day, if you have an interest in philosophy, and I think everyone does have an interest in philosophy. It comes down to two questions that you'll inevitably find in some form on an answering machine, and those questions are: who are you, and what do you want? Now it sounds kind of trivial because I could say, I'm Joe King, and I want to go over there, which is called Groscheidek. But in reality, I'm not Joe King, and it's not that I want to go over there. What I want to do is I want to be out here in the fresh air, hear the sounds of nature, the bells of the cows, the sounds of the creeks, smell the flowers, and have a good conversation, maybe have a laugh, eat a snack, and basically just that's where the fun point is. And this year actually is the 10th anniversary of a book that I wrote, and it was, guess what the cover was? Who are you, and what do you want? So that's the questions we're going to start out with, and I'll begin by with a little demonstration, but we'll go to a new spot to do that. So see you in a couple minutes. Okay, we're just going to do a little segue here back to a little Joe King. What do you call a bunch of cows with a sense of humor? Laughing stock. I love stupid jokes like that because they tickle your mind, which is a small part of the fun point. And basically, humor works better for some people than others. Typically, if you're looking for it, you'll find it more often. But just to demonstrate to you why it works for a lot of people is basically the way this works. Cards are very symbolic also. I want you to look at one card. Pick out one card and concentrate on it. You got it? You got that card? Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these cards, and of those 5 cards, I'm going to remove your card. Okay? I have removed your card, haven't I? And that's called utterly impressive.